Good evening. The verdict is in, a misdemeanor for the woman who shot a homeless man in downtown Nashville.
A jury finds Katie Quackenbush guilty of reckless endangerment.
State of Tennessee versus Katie Lane Quackenbush. We, the jury, find the defendant, Katie Lane Quackenbush, guilty of reckless endangerment.
Maris is live in the 5 Alert Center. Nick, you followed this case from the very beginning.
The jury really did not deliberate very long at all. This is actually a lesser charge from what Quackenbush was initially facing of attempted first-degree murder.
Oh, you know what? A much lesser charge, and you just saw there her reaction. She immediately after that was actually thanking the jury when she heard the verdict. There's no doubt this victory, all right, for her, it came just after 2 days of testimony. 30-year-old Katie Quackenbush shot Gerald Melton, a homeless man who had been sleeping on the sidewalk back in 2017. He had been bothered by her car exhaust, and they started arguing. On closing, defense attorney Peter Stryance told the jury his client was terrified by Melton's behavior.
Mr. Melton is being erratic and unstable, screaming, yelling, and I don't want to repeat these words again, but you heard the words.
Quackenbush herself took the stand yesterday claiming she acted only in self-defense.
Did you intend to kill Gerald Melton?
Never, never, never. There was no intent to kill.
Melton did not testify in person, but provided a recorded statement of what Quackenbush said just before shooting him.
But she asked me if I wanted to die tonight.
On closing, prosecutors conceded that Melton is a troubled man, but that witnesses say he never posed a physical threat. Assistant DA Amy Hunter told the jury Quackenbush could have just driven away or called the police, but instead she got out of the car with a gun and shot Melton twice, trying to kill him not out of fear, but simply because he made her mad.
And I would submit to you that she did this believing that she could get away with it because of who she believed she was and who she believed Mr. Melton was. Just a crazy, deranged, homeless man.
Well, after 2.5 hours of deliberation, the jury decided they disagreed with that from the prosecution, deciding that Quackenbush likely did fear for her safety that day. Their verdict of reckless endangerment, what does it mean? Well, it means her conduct did needlessly put others at risk, so that's where that came from. But this is a misdemeanor, and it was the lowest of the lesser includeds the jury could consider, Vicki.
So, Nick, what potential sentence awaits Quackenbush?
Now, I'll tell you, again, it is a misdemeanor on par with underage drinking, joyriding, marijuana possession. She almost certainly will do no jail time, all right? In fact, she's looking at probation. And after she serves that probation, she can seek to have this conviction expunged. The judge will be sentencing her on May 12th. In the meantime, she does remain free on bond. Vicki?
All right, Nick, we'll be watching for that hearing.